Jogging and running are often used interchangeably, but did you know that there's a precise speed at which jogging becomes running? In this video, we're going to explore the difference between jogging and running and the science behind it. Jogging is generally considered to be a lower intensity form of running. It's typically described as a steady pace that is slower than running and can be sustained for longer periods of time. Running, on the other hand, is a higher intensity form of exercise that requires more energy and effort. It's typically described as a faster pace that can't be sustained for as long as jogging. According to scientific research, the precise speed at which jogging becomes running is around 6 miles per hour. At that speed, the energy expenditure and muscle activation increase significantly, indicating a transition from jogging to running. It's important to note that the speed is not set in stone and can vary depending on the individual's fitness level and running experience. However, it serves as a general guideline for distinguishing between jogging and running. So next time you're out for a jog or run, pay attention to your speed and see if you're jogging or running. Remember that the difference is not only in the speed, but also in the intensity of the activity and the effort required. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps the channel out a lot. If you have a topic that you would like to learn more about, leave it in the comments below.